Hey there everyone, and welcome to this new video. What if you could schedule a whole week of social media posts without ever opening your scheduler or any social media platform, just by talking to Claude? That's exactly what I will show you today with the Nuelink MCP, and I will show you also what it can do. Let's set it up together right now. We need to start this inside of Claude itself. You need to go to your settings or click on customize. And you need to go to connectors. Connectors are how Claude plugs into outside tools, like Canva, for example. Now click on the plus sign and click on Add Custom Connector. Since we can't link directly AI to social media platforms, it's best to use this Nuelink connector. So let's name it Nuelink. And for this link right here, we need to get this URL API token from Nuelink itself. So go to your browser and search up Nuelink and log into your account, and then go to the settings section, go to API and MCP, and create a new token. A token is like a secure key for this connection. It lets Nuelink know that it's safe to let Claude and vice versa. Give it a name like Claude, and set an expiration date from 1 day to 90 days and click to generate it. But to connect any AI, you need to copy this full URL. It has this MCP URL and then the API key at the bottom. So we copy it, and this is exactly what we're gonna use here. Click add, and then you need to give access, so allow and approve. One important thing is make sure to treat that token like a password. Don't paste it into a public chat, and don't leave it visible in a screenshot or a screen share. Copy it and keep it to yourself. And now once you allow these permissions, you are able to manage your socials through Claude and Nuelink. And that's it. It's live. It's ready, as you can see here. If you want to make sure that it's actually worked, just ask Claude something simple like, what brands do I have on Nuelink? Send. It used the Nuelink integration, and it set up all of the brands that I have on Nuelink. If we go back to my Nuelink account and we check the brands, we can see that I am a member of all of these brands. Now from here on, Claude and Nuelink will talk to each other automatically whenever you need them to, and you will not to redo this setup again. But once it's connected, you can ask Claude to do different kinds of things. First, you can look at your account. Second, you can see your brands on your Nuelink account, which are your separate workspaces. 3, you can see the social channels connected to each brand. 4, you can see your collections, which are the content folders that Nuelink uses to organize your content. 5, you can upload images and videos. And finally, number 6, the big one, you can create and publish posts directly from here. And for creating a post, it's very flexible, and for the posting as well. Claude can publish it immediately, schedule it for a specific date and time, or drop it into the posting queue, or save it as a draft for you to check it before you post. It's not just for plain text posts either. You can add a poll or a quiz. You can post something like a story instead of a feed post, and you can set up an automatic first comment, which is perfect for dropping a link under your post instead of in the caption. And with the help of Claude, you can handle platform-specific touches. For example, I will ask it to create an Instagram and Facebook post announcing our new oat milk latte using a warm and friendly tone and a couple of emojis, and let's schedule it for Friday at 9. I didn't specify which collections and which brands, but it will ask me and guide me through it. It's asking me which brand. I'm gonna type my Lydia Myberry brand. Okay, so now it called Nuelink to create the post, and it's asking for the collection. I'm gonna select the Daily Motivation collection, which if I show you this brand, you can see that I have these collections right here. Okay, now it's done in just seconds. The post is scheduled as we set it up to be, and here's the caption of it. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the Daily Motivation, and here I found it. I'm going to ask it to create an image of the oat latte milk to match this announcement. Let's see what it's going to give us. Okay, so it's called up the Canva integration to create the designs, which is cool. Okay, so it created very, very lovely designs. I think I love them. They're really good. So I asked it to schedule the second one. Okay, so now after a while has passed, you can see the image has been added to the post and it's scheduled across these channels. The channels are selected in the collection. By the way, you could also batch a bunch of posts at once. You can say, here are 5 things that happened at my shop this week, and you can just list them, and you can turn each one into a post and add them to the queue. Claude will write all the 5 things and queue them up for you, and you will have 5 posts with just a single prompt. Another thing you can do is schedule your polls or your stories. You can, for example, post a poll on X and ask which new flavors you should launch next week or something like that. Give 3 options and run it for 3 days, and you're done. Claude and Nuelink will take care of it, and you will have your interactive content without opening so many tabs. And also, Claude lets you take control of refining because it will show you the draft before anything goes live, so you can just talk to it and ask it to make it shorter, add more emojis, or actually move it to a different day like Saturday. This is a conversation that is supposed to save you a lot of time and energy, so make great use of it. You can also flip it, which is my favorite. I would give Claude something that I already made, like a link to a latest blog post or a YouTube video, or even a messy paragraph of notes, and I'll ask Claude to turn this into a week of posts. For example, I will take this Nuelink blog link, or you can copy the whole thing, and I'll just paste it into Claude and ask it to make content out of it. Okay, so the prompt is take this blog and turn it into a week of posts with different tips and takeaways. Use a friendly tone, keep it short, don't use dashes, add emojis when needed, and schedule it to LinkedIn and X on Lydia Myberry brand using the motivation collection. Let's send it. Okay, so all the posts are scheduled. Let's go and see them. Let's refresh this collection. Wow, just like that, we have 7 different posts added, making this full collection have 8 posts. This way, you can go from a blank calendar to a full content calendar in one single conversation. And I'm not speaking about AI helped me write a caption. It's more like AI ran my entire social media posting while I had my coffee. After you set up your Nuelink with your Claude AI, it can write, create, schedule, queue, and refine your posts across all channels. You can even turn old content into a fresh batch of content. If you want to do it yourself, the link is in the description to try it out. Set it up tonight and schedule your first post just by asking, and let me know how did it go for you. And if this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell so YouTube lets you know when the next video is dropping.